There are moments when a single image carries more than 1,000 words, ideas, references, direction, captured in a fraction of a second, but often lost just as quickly. This is where Flashback changes the process. Uploading flow. You start by dragging and dropping your image. No friction, no complexity. You give it a title. You add a short note, context, intention, meaning, and you save it. Again, drag, title, note, save. You repeat the process, building structure one image at a time. 5 images become 10, 10 become a system, and suddenly, what was scattered becomes organized. Viewing modes. Now you scroll. Your images are no longer just files. They become a visual flow. You switch perspectives. Impact, bold, immersive, immediate. Balanced, structured, clear, efficient. Comfortable, relaxed, easy to navigate. Focus, distraction removed, attention sharpened. Each mode changes how you see and how you think. Full screen and actions. You open an image in full screen. No noise, no interruption, just the visual, exactly as it was meant to be seen. From here you can save it or integrate it directly into your notes. Everything stays connected. Everything stays within your system. Bigger picture. This is more than storage. It's a central place for everything visual that matters to you. Your references, your inspirations, your working material. No more searching through folders. No more switching between devices. Whether you are on your phone, your laptop, or in the middle of a project, your images are always there. Ready, structured, accessible. Usage insight. And there is a simple way to make it even more efficient. Instead of uploading large files, capture what you need. Take a screenshot. Fast, clean, precise. Build your gallery from moments that matter. Lightweight, organized, always within reach. Closing. This is how images stop being static files and become part of your workflow, part of your thinking, part of your execution. This is Flashback, your second brain. Wir freuen uns zu sehen, was Sie daraus machen.